if you like. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that looks. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are back with a new hair video. I have a new wig, and this time the wig is from Wiggins Hair. The wig comes in this beautiful orange box. This is what comes in it. The wig, HD cap, some lashes, edge brush, and the wig band. Also come with a satin bag to store your wig in. Now this wig is their 5x5 22-inch lace, not just lace, but HD lace closure. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna open the box and get into this wig. Like I said, it's 22 inches long. Alright, so this is the curls pattern. Okay, you guys, so this is the hair right out of the box. You can see the hairline is pre-plucked. This is the parting space, it's a middle part. This is a 5x5 HD closure lace. The knots come pre-bleached already for you. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of foundation. This is my Ruby Kisses foundation. The color is level 11. And I'm going to put it on the lace. Alright, so this is the 5x5 lace closure, loose wave, and this is 22 inches in length. So this is the full length, 22 inches long. This is the back. The curls are very beautiful. This looks like it could be a summer hair, vacation hair, you're out in the water. That's that type of texture. Okay. Now we're just going to go ahead and style it a little bit. I went ahead and laid the lace with a little bit of katsu bead. I'm just gonna cut the lace off now. And once you comb it out, this is how it looks. You can leave it like this and wear it like this right out of the packages if you choose to. But I think I want to add some wine curls. Alright you guys, so this is the wand curl. I'm done curling the entire head. I'm definitely on my last but not least curl. And this is my Remington curling iron. This curling iron, when I tell you I've been having it since before Corona. That's how long I've been having it. Over 5 years. And it works magic every single time. So these are the curls. Let's turn around. Alright, so these are the curls. So I'm just going to style and add some baby hair because it's curly hair. So we're going to take out some baby hair. And some Alright you guys, so I went ahead and I made my baby hair. I left the middle part just the way it was. Okay. But these are the curls. You can leave it like this if you want that defined look. You can leave it like this. Or if you don't want it like this, you can comb out the curls if you like. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that looks. Pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave all the links in the description box for Wiggins Hair. I'm so sorry my voice is off. I haven't been feeling well, but we are here now, okay? Alright, talk to y'all. Bye.